Hey guys, how to download Striker Zone game on PC or laptop. Ready to jump into Striker Zone on your PC or laptop? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download the game safely and start playing without any fuss. Stick with me, and you'll be geared up for action in moments. First of all, open an internet browser on your laptop and search it at Steam. The link is in the description, and open it on the Steam website. And here download Steam. Click on Install Steam above, and click on Install Steam again. Your Steam download will start. Wait a little. After the download is complete, now go to the download folder. Install the Steam here, double-click and install. It is already installed in my laptop. After installing Steam, open it and create an account. Then search for Sticker Zone in Steam, and then click on Sticker Zone, and scroll down and click on Add to Library at the bottom. Your game will be added to the library. You will be taken to the library. Click on the top library, and here click on Sticker Zone and click on Install and click on Install again. Your installation will start, and after that your Sticker Zone game will be added to your desktop. And that's how you can download Striker Zone on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe, and let me know what game tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.